Hey y'all, so here's my bass line. Some people call it a bass line, but BASS is how you spell bass. And so to me, it's bass line. I'm going to go with that. This right here is a Whoop Lite VTX or video transmitter from HD0. It's a digital technology that's one way, it just transmits and your goggles receive, and that makes it super duper fast, almost like analog. Actually, faster than analog in some cases, but it's all digital. So you get a little bit better picture quality than like that 1980s 6:4 ratio aspect that has very low detail. You can't see people's nose hairs or anything like that. It's quite an upgrade over analog in some cases. Not every case, but in some cases. So then here is a new one, new to me. I think I bought it. I can't remember where I got it, but anyway, I'm not sure if it works or not. And I want to try to see if I can test it and see if it works, but I don't want to build a whole quad out just to test that. So what did I do? I'm putting it first in this stuff called electronic goop. It's thermally resistive putty, www.massadhesive.com, and put it in that because it is really good at holding stuff. For one, you can hold it down, stick it in there, hold it, and it'll keep it from moving, but it also won't melt. If you've ever tried to use the blue tacky stuff that you put on walls to hold things while you solder, it'll melt, get all nasty. This stuff doesn't melt, and it also keeps you from overheating electronics, which is what kills electronics. Speaking of things that kill electronics, it's wintertime for me right now, and as I walked down the stairs to get into the basement to work on this, I knew for a fact that I was going to have a electrical charge on my body. And so before I went and started touching anything like this, I looked for something that was grounded. Now look around I probably could have touched the metal over there on my power strip, but what I ended up doing is I knew this was plugged in and I knew that this was grounded. So I touched this, and sure enough, a big old shock went from the tip of my finger over here. And who knows how many thousands of volts that was, but it was most likely thousands of volts. Thousands of volts can kill these tiny little circuits on here. So before you work on stuff, make sure you discharge all of the electrostatic that is built up on your body. And even better than that would be to put either a mat that is grounded or a strap around your wrist. They make all kinds of different things. They even make, when I worked on a NASA program, I had to wear a smock that you grounded it. Anyway, we're going to see if this works. I'm not going to record that. Hopefully this helps you.